Let me show you how to force restart your Garmin Venu 4 and also Vivo Active 6. So if something has happened to your watch, maybe it has frozen up. For example, in my case, the first time I actually got my watch, it actually froze up some few times and I had to actually force restart it in order to even get it back running. And the way we do it on this watch, so basically it will be the upper button, the one you basically start your exercise with. On the Vivo, as you can see, we have the upper button, and on the Venu again it will most probably be the upper button. And what we do, we simply hold this upper button for roughly 15 seconds. So as you see, basically if I start to hold it, so ignore whatever it says, simply keep holding it, so it will eventually shut off. Even if it's not responding or you do not see any signs of life, simply maybe start a timer and simply hold. So as you see, it maybe took a tiny bit less than 15 seconds. And then we simply have to wait a bit, so maybe like 5 seconds, and then we can basically turn it on. So again, simply hold it for, basically till it turns on, maybe like less than So definitely less than 10 seconds. So simply hold till you see the blue triangle, and then again, basically in the when you actually do this process, basically it will kind of figure out what's actually wrong with this watch and try to heal itself essentially, and basically do kind of like a soft restart on this watch essentially. So again, nothing will get lost from your watch. So this is simply like a reboot. So like hard reboot essentially that we can use if something basically happens to your watch and basically gets frozen or something like that. Anyway, good luck.